Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize multiple boxes in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to resize multiple boxes. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide option and choose blank. Then go to the insert menu and choose the text box option and draw any text box. You can write anything, otherwise paste any text. Then go back again or add another text box. Now you want to resize the multiple box. At first, select the first box, then press and hold the shift and select the second box. Now we can see we select multiple box, then we want to resize this, resize the box at once. We can see we resize the multiple box at once. Otherwise you can resize or move the box at once. You can add more than effect. Select the format and go to the style. You can add any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.